new icon, and I'm going to take like a logo also as a picture tag, but it is not correct, but I'm just going to explain, so that's why I'm taking. Okay, let's see. Okay, our icon and our logo is like a displaying. One more, I'm going to design as an icon. So for add sections I'm also going to design. Okay, so 3 times I just design it. Okay, so I like a design. So what I'm thinking, listen, this is our neighbor. I designed 2 sections, left side and right side. Okay, so now we are going to implement CSS. So simple, we will add, if you click plus icons, it will it class, it's like a coming. You can write here like your CSS. So display, we just give it to flags. First we'll check what are the sections, what are the Figma design. So you can see, we see what is the space. So if you click alter and move it to mouse, so you can see the space between from left 15% means 50 pixels, and we check right side also how much it will taking, 50. Okay, and top bottom it will take 31 pixel. Okay, we also follow that method. Padding, top bottom 31 pixel, left right 51 pixel. Okay, we'll see. Okay, all good. Now we want like a space between, so justify content space between. Okay, now we'll see, it is a not center, so we'll give a line item center. Okay, so now you can check, now it is a center. Okay, just copy it and paste separately, or you can also use like that. You just click here and copy it also. Okay, listen, here is the image, here is the image, but I already told you we can't give as a same class. We are using WEM methodology. For each sections, each like a tag, we are giving separate name, means class name. Okay, so you can give it to class name to each and everyone. Okay, so So we'll see dimension, each dimension. Here is our nav icon is dimension 32 into 32. Let's see our dimension 32 into 32. Okay, second one we'll see. Okay, 203 into 58. Let's see 203 into 58. Okay, but listen, these both icons are not aligned properly. So here what happened, I'm going to also give flags for align item center. So display flags I'm giving align item center. Okay, now what is the difference between both icons? So first, if you click first icon or logo, after that you click on alter button and move, you can see the distance between first icon to logo is 30 pixel. Okay, so you can give it to gap or you can give it to margin. So I'm going to give gap. So column gap, column gap should be, one more time, 30. Pixel. Okay, now it's all right. I just copy and add this class also. Okay, now you can see first section is fine. Now come to the next section. Here is, we'll see first Figma. Okay, you can see width and height 32 pixel. We just zoom in and we'll see the space between 16 pixel. So we'll give only space. So we just add here also and we give it only 16 pixel gap. So we just copy it, paste it, okay, 16 pixel. Okay, okay, so now our if you check this layout as for Figma, so let's see. Okay, our width is 100%, height is 94. Let's see. Okay, our width is 90/20 and height is 120. It means it is so much. So we'll fix it 94. So we'll see first logo dimension 58. Here is also okay. So we just remove it, padding, and we'll give height is 94. Height is 94 pixel. Okay, and give it to padding block 50 pixel. Sorry, bottom. block. So we padding inline, I think. Yeah, padding inline means left right it will take. You can see. Now we'll see total width is 90/20 and height is 94. Okay, we just copy and just add it. Okay, now our layout means neighbors as for Figma is matched.